Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a flip through here of my traveler's notebook. So this is an old book that I bought, and I ended up having to cut the binding off because it was not thick enough for what I wanted to use it for. Then I just stuck these rings in here to make a cover. And so this is a chunkier, since I've got the rings here, I like to make this journal a little chunkier than I do in my regular notebook. So this is just a scrapbook paper that I had that I thought I'd put here. So here, this page is just a lot of scraps from my scrap box. This one here is a Good Life bundle from Pixel Scrapper. Here we've got the Journal Me page over here, so I don't have to actually do any journaling. And this one also is from a Good Life collection. With some fun little shaker pockets over here on the side. And this one also is a Good Life bundle from Pixel Scrapper. Got some big flowers here, and this is one of the Journal Me pages here with the clipboard that I've just used to stick my photo in. This is a kit from somebody, maybe Allison Pennington. She's one of my favorite designers. And this big paper here is definitely from Pixel Scrapper, although I can't remember what kit it's from. And then a lot of fun scraps. Well, this is a pretty one. I think this paper is maybe from Anita Designs. And I printed it here on some vellum too to kind of make a barrier in between my two layouts. So most of these layouts have process videos back in my feed. If you scroll through, you can find one you're interested in. Here I just have a little tag that I stuck in here. Some bits and pieces from this kit, which is maybe also Allison Pennington. It's nice. I'd like to put usually some sort of barrier if I'm going to do photos on both sides of the notebook. Oh, look at that sweet photo. All right, and here we have a nice Traveler's Notebook page. This is not from Pixel Scrapper. I don't remember at the moment who this is from, but it's quite nice. This one here, this is a, I think I just made this. This is a piece of paper that I had. I have a little bit of scrapbook paper. And this I just, is a template from Pixel Scrapper that I downloaded. I made it blue and then printed it out so it would fit here in the notebook. And here is also, I think, just some scraps and things. Oh, this is another word art from Pixel Scrapper. So I printed this out. Actually, looks like I put there's some pink polka dots there in the background. I don't know if you can see them. So I printed that out just to go with my page over here. And there we go, all finished. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.